Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. This is your own platform where you can engage with us online. You can send us your posts, your audio and video comments. Of course, you can tweet us your inputs at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. Well, as you know, all of us, most of us, are film buffs. We love watching movies, and at India Post Live we have been talking about films, we have been discussing films, we have been discussing the business of films. We've discussed Kick, we've discussed Singham 2, and all of you know that all of us in fact went and watched Mardani and did our first film review on India Post Live. Today we are going to talk about a different kind of film, a film that no one is really talking about, but a film that has been made by very, very talented people. And in fact, our country is so full of talent, and they make an effort to do something good. But it is such a struggle for them to get the film released in the theatres if the film does not have a Salman Khan or an Aamir Khan or a Shah Rukh Khan or any of these big names. The struggle that these guys made, the struggles that they had to go through to have the film released is what we're going to talk about. First, take a look. The film is called Trip to Bhangarh.
बदतमीज।
आप तो एसके भी हैं सर, सेल्स के बॉन्ड। या आप मेरे धृतराष्ट्र हैं।
अबे वो तो अंधा था।
आपके बाल कितने प्यारे हैं। आपके
या अल्लाह।
टकीला शॉट चढ़ा के, आईलाइनर ब्लैक लगा के, हाई हील दी सैंडल लगा के, आ जानी कम ऑन लेट्स पार्टी।
चीरू हमें बता रहा था कि तू कोई फिल्म लिख रहा है।
ट्रिप टू भानगढ़।
भानगढ़ क्या?
भानगढ़ नहीं पता? गॉड,
क्या भानगढ़ जाने से डर रहे हैं आमिर खान?
हम इतने साल बाद मिले, एक ट्रिप तो प्लान करना बनता है यार। और इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है? ट्रिप टू भानगढ़।
हम जा रहे हैं एशियाज मोस्ट हॉन्टेड प्लेस भानगढ़, और ये हम बकर करते हुए आ रहे हैं पूरे भानगढ़ के किले में। अभी तक हमें कोई नेगेटिव एनर्जी महसूस नहीं हुई है।
यार तुम में से किसी का नेटवर्क आ रहा है?
अरे कोई है?
कुछ नहीं है यार, चलते हैं।
भानगढ़ काले जादू का गढ़ है।
अब कोई नहीं बचेगा, सब मर जाएंगे साला, सब मर जाएंगे।
कैसा पॉसिबल है कि जो कहानी में लिखा है वही उनकी जिंदगी में भी हो रहा है? एक एक करके मरोगे।
बोलो।
Alright, so the film is releasing on the 29th of August, that's coming Friday, and we are discussing the film. We are doing a preview of the film for the first time on web television on India Post Live. And joining me in the studio, I'm very, very thrilled, first time director Jitendra Pawar. Jitendra, welcome to the conversation. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Nilanjana.
Introducing Manish Chaudhary. We just saw Manish Chaudhary. He is playing the male lead. Hi, Manish.
Hi Nilanjana, how are you?
You are a very good looking man, and we just saw you shirtless like Salman Khan there. We are going to talk about that. We also have, I think you're playing Badmash Golu or something.
Yeah.
We have Piyush Raina. Piyush Raina is someone who is an actor. He is a seasoned actor and very, very active and popular in the Delhi's entertainment industry, which is hardly anything. All right, all right. So we are going to talk about the film. We are going to talk about how the film came to happen, because I just saw in the trailer that it's inspired by a true story. Let me first talk to Jitendra, who's also written the script of the film. Jitendra, tell us, Bhangad. I was just reading about it.
Yeah.
It's about this whole queen and the curse, and people are waiting for the queen to come back and the curse will be lifted. What exactly inspired you to write the film?
It's inspired by my own life. Actually, it happens just few years back when we met in a reunion party in my Delhi University. We have a bunch
You're
of
from
friends.
Delhi University?
Yes, I'm from Delhi and Delhi University.
Huh.
We have bunch of friends who always do trips and plan some visits whenever we met.
Huh.
So this time when we met, I decided ki let's go some spoofy place, some horrible place like Bhangad. We have few friends who are ready, who are excited for this trip, but at the same time, there are some people who got scared of this. Ki, no, we will not visit this such a dangerous place, haunted place. Then that was my idea. Let's go at least in daytime, because in day we can visit. It's allowed only in daytime. Then we planned our trip. We visited Bhangad. But after the trip, few incidents happened in their life, real incidents. Then the whole idea came in my mind that let's write a film, a trip to Bhangad. What happened to the people when they visit Bhangad?
You are talking to a big skeptic when it comes to horror and ghosts and all of that. So, you will take a lot more convincing than that. सच में मतलब your friends and you, आपके साथ क्या? What happened to you? Did anything strange and spooky happen to you?
Yes, my friend, one of the very close friend goes through a breakup, and one had an accident after the trip when we came back. Then they blamed me that it's all because of you, and this is a Bhangad effect. The spirits came with us and they are doing all this stuff with us.
Oh my God.
Then they started blaming me, and I thought, wow, it's a nice idea. We can make film on it. That people met and decide for a trip to Bhangad and what happened to them. Then by taking cinematic liberty, I write down the climax in a different way, and
naturally.
now the trip to Bhangad
All
is
right.
releasing on 29th August, and you can see.
Yeah, sure. Manish, tell us, you and Jeetu have known each other for some time, right? And you have obviously, been wanting to get into Bollywood.
Yes.
Why start your career with Trip to Bhangad?
See, basically it's a combination. The story is fantabulous. The place Bhangad is Asia's most haunted place. So it's
You
already.
knew about it?
I knew about it. I belong to Rajasthan, so I know the place already. People know about this place. People from outside India, abroad, people know about the place. It comes into world's third most haunted place, Asia's most haunted place. So I like the concept that I can play different roles. See, I can romance and I can sing song, I can write lyrics for the movie, and obviously there are horror elements.
All right. So all of you, as you know, a bunch of young people got together and made the film. That is the sense I'm getting from this. From the trailer, I understood that, as Manish said, there is romance. There is, of course, the whole thrill of visiting a haunted place. There is also, he, as Manish told us, he's written the lyrics of some of the songs also. And as you all know, Monday is also the day on India Post Live for entrepreneurs. So in a way, I'm going to be calling these young people entrepreneurs of a different kind. They got together and they have created a film. Piyush, tell us, are you playing a comic role in this film?
Yeah, I am playing a comic.
That's
and
what you
as
do
well as-
best.
Yes, I'm best at it. So my character's name is Golu. Golu is the kind of guy. He's always with the girls. He's hanging out with girls. किसी को भी छेड़ देता है. That kind of guy he is. And particularly this character, he's very scared of things. He's a fattu kind of guy, you can say, and he's scared of friends can always tease him with things and lot of things.
So a lot of people were asking me, is Golu, the guy who dies? Because always the funny guy, he's funny, but he dies a horrible death. Do you die a horrible death in the movie? Itna to hame bata do yaar.
See, I have read comments below the trailer that please don't let this guy die, otherwise this will be a very conventional thing to do.
I'm sure.
So
Was it fun shooting? Was it fun shooting in the place?
Yes.
It was a very funny incident happening over there. He is in his real life he's a fattu guy. So we used to do prank with him. Whenever we visit Bhangar at the night time, we use fire in his outside the room. Chung chung.
Oh come on, that is. And you got scared.
Yes, he got scared. Yeah, man.
I got scared with something. See, let me tell you, Manish was the main leader as he is leading our film. So he was the main leader who was doing all these things, including our director. So I was like, I am in such a place where I am not aware of what is happening
Did
with
you
us.
spend the night there? You were there.
No,
we
but
stayed
you're not
at
allowed to
Alwar.
spend the
We
night.
stayed at Alwar. We are not allowed to stay in the night in the Bhangar fort. It's not allowed, legally not allowed.
Right.
Archaeological survey doesn't permit us to
ACA.
stay at night.
Right. Yeah, I was reading about that. Okay, so you stayed at Alwar.
At
How
Alwar.
far is it from Alwar?
It's a 3-hour journey from Alwar to Bhangar.
So every day you had to do that journey.
At the morning 3 a.m. we started our journey for Bhangar. To get a shot at 7 a.m. morning, we start our trip by 3 a.m. at Alwar.
All right, and the
And
whole
these
day
guys
you shoot and you go back.
at the 2 a.m. they started makeup, getting ready. So they are very.
it was a
difficult.
bit hectic.
How much
schedule.
time did the entire filming take? The entire filming process?
About a month.
A month.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And you guys had fun, right?
Yes.
Did you have any personal experience during the shoot? कि जब लगा कि my God, are we doing the right thing? Was there any untoward incident that happened?
Very first incident that happened, that we were all excited to shoot in Bhangar. It's a very spooky place. Let's go. Let's roll. Camera roll. We are just shouting all that. So the first shot was very scary. We had a comic scene in the jeep, and the cameraman was on the bonnet shooting the film. There were 2 production cars.
All right.
You
And
can,
then there
as
was-
you can see on the screen, that
See, as you can see that there is a comic scene going on. Golu is playing some prank, and then suddenly I realized that Jeep has no brakes. There is a brake failure.
yeah.
You were using this jeep for the shoot, right?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
shooting.
yeah.
This is
This
shot.
was-
This
This
was
is
the
our
first
travel
shot at Bhangar.
But now you see the changing expressions.
Yeah.
All right. So you're not getting the. Okay, I can
I'm
see
shouting,
you're shouting.
brake nahi
You're
lag
shouting.
raha hai.
Brake nahi lag rahi hai.
started with something that break nahi lag rahe and all, and suddenly we were
He's
like,
cameraman.
how
That's the cameraman.
Yes.
how is it possible? And this is the cameraman.
Who's the poor guy? Who's the cameraman? He's a DOP?
DOP, our
What's
DOP
his-
Jay Shetty.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Lenses are
god.
gone.
Jeep is in 2 tires.
This is like, this was really very scary.
This is the first day of your shooting.
First day, first shot
day,
at Bhangar.
Oh my
That's
So
how
this was-
Bhangar says welcome.
Welcome. This was a welcoming shot. So
Oh my goodness. This is.
Look at Golu, his mouth is open. Oh.
Piyush must have been in shock for the rest of the day. Yeah. I mean, come on.
see, I was in a shock for around 2 hours. I was
So
not
when-
talking to anybody, as I'm not like that. You know me personally, and I was not like that. And
And
suddenly,
when we checked the brakes, they were fine.
yeah, this is one thing which
Another spooky
After
thing.
we can't believe.
Now I'm going to make a trip with the entire team of India Post Live and go to Bhangar. I know it. I'm just going to
Go
do
and
that.
find out the truth behind this Bhangar.
On 29th August.
When
yeah.
Piyush was sitting on a chair after this shot, then I whispered in his ear, "Welcome to Bhangar."
I said thank you. I said thank you.
Such में यार, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Let's talk
It was
about,
very
I saw the trailer, and the trailer had these, very cool Manish doing all these attitude kind of things and taking off his shirt and all of that. So, you've used the popular Bollywood masala, it seems. You also have an item song?
Yes, we have promotional song in our film. If we consider item song, always people consider about the babes without clothes, but we have item as a Manish as an item in this film.
He's the item.
Yes,
Okay,
he is the item in our item
Sellable
song.
item.
Let's take a look how saleable Manish is going to be as an item in the item song.
Yeah.
The song is called Mangal Raat.
Yes.
That tells me a lot. Okay.
वो मंगल रात दीवानी थी वो मुझसे मिलने वाली थी
16 साल की कवारी थी वो मंगल रात दीवानी जन्मों से प्यासी थी वो मंगल रात दीवानी
वो मंगल रात दीवानी थी वो मुझसे मिलने वाली थी वह लैंड लॉर्ड मेरा लॉर्ड मेरा लॉर्ड मेरा लॉर्ड मेरा लैंड लॉर्ड मेरा आ गया वो बत्ती गुल कर
मंगल रात की दीवानी थी वो नई वाली रानी बहुत कुछ करना भी था मुझको वो करवाने भी वाली थी। फुल तैयारी करके बैठा था फुर्सत से मैं कुर्सी पे, साथ में केक भी लाया था सामने वाली बेकरी से। 15 मिनट की थी देरी बस वो आने ही वाली थी, उससे पहले आया लैंडलॉर्ड घर की एमसी गिरा दी। मंगल रात की दीवानी, मंगल रात की दीवानी। आगे का कुछ सीन है ऐसा ढीठ बुढ़ा जावे ना, जो ढीठ बुढ़ा जावे ना तो रानी ऊपर आवे ना। बस बुढ़े को भगाना है रानी को बुलाना, इसके बाद का कार्यक्रम तो बरसों पुराना है।
All right. Okay, as you know, they were all singing and dancing. I think I don't know how much of that you guys caught, but yeah, it seems quite interesting. And I can see that Manish is actually more of the item here. But you know, we do have another woman also who is doing something. You were just doing that.
Yeah, I was doing this Mangal Raat Ki Deewani. It's quite famous among the youngsters nowadays.
This is a new step.
It's a new step, Mangal Raat.
Okay, the three of you do it together. Okay,
Can you do it with us? Can you do it with us?
I can't do it. I can't dance to save my life. Okay, I'll give you 1, 2, 3. You do it. Okay, chalo.
Okay. We all
2, 3. Chalo.
1, 2, 3.
मंगल
रात की दीवानी थी।
Okay. All right. That's
I
fun.
always do like something.
That's fun. Okay, now you guys, let's talk of the production issues now, and let's talk about the struggle that you had, which I introduced the show with. You wrote the script because you have, you know, encountered, you went with your friends there and strange things happened. You said, okay, let's turn this into a film. Great idea. You wrote the film. You had these wonderful talented people like Manish, like him, like Piyush, like Vidushi. I just saw Vidushi also.
Yes,
and she's a theatre actor and she's been there. And you have Siddharth Bharadwaj
Yes, Siddharth ji
also,
is
right?
also there.
So you had all these people to support you in making the film. You're a first-time director.
Yep.
So you made the film. Where did the money come from?
Money will come from the.
No, where did the money come
for
from?
making.
For the production, yeah.
Yes, the struggle was started when I wrote the script. Where I started visiting producers, different producers. They liked the subject, but my condition was I wanted to direct it. But as I am the new person, I never done a film as a director, so they are scared why to invest money on me. But my condition was very clear that I wrote this script, I liked it, and I want to direct it. And I visited so many production houses, but then the Rock and Roller Films.
I know the producers very well, Rock and Roller Films and Swami Samat Creations, which is led by Yatin Nandwani and Anita Nandwani. They are very good people. They are into realistic cinema. They have made one movie called Dehradun Diary, which was based on a murder case. So another thing was for them, this is a movie based on reality. So they always want to experiment on realistic cinema.
How did you sell this movie to them? How did you convince them, Manish?
See, what we did is that the spookiest thing about Bhangad is that there is a board of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, that you cannot enter the fort after sunset and before sunrise. And if you go on Google, there are various research subjects you will get from different channels, leading channels from India and abroad, that people have actually gone there and felt
There's something
negative energy
negative
about the place.
Yes,
So this has been declared Asia's most haunted place. So as the story speaks, they didn't need big names like Salman Khan and Amir Khan. They needed quite fresh faces whom people can relate to. So that's how I got into picture, Piyush got into picture, because we were people who were struggling to get into Bollywood. So we gave auditions, and then as my character goes, I am playing as a journalist.
Okay.
So I'm a TV journalist who needs a story, who goes to Bhangad, takes his friends along. So that's my character in present, and then I have a flashback also in which I am a musician. So in my real life, I am a musician also. So that way I wrote.
You have also sung a song in this film.
Yeah, I have sung one
haven't you?
song, written 3 lyrics.
Alright.
3 songs. So
Let's listen to that song. We don't have the video of it, but let's try and listen to this. So what is it called?
it's called Free of
Free of
Cost.
Cost.
Tell me the lyrics.
See, there was a lot of
We'll play it.
competition in college life, how to impress a girl. So I was writing this song on that subject. So it's free of cost.
So that
way.
means you are going to.
I'm going to impress you with my song.
Yeah. Free of cost.
I'm
let's
free
do
of
it.
cost
That-
for you.
Let's hear the song a little bit. If it's ready for us.
So
I can sing for you if you want.
Yeah, you
we
will.
all three will sing.
Okay, sing it for us. Sing it for us.
And that also.
Okay.
Sing it.
Free
Sing
of
it.
cost.
Sing it.
तेरी महंगी इस दुनिया में कीमत मेरे दिल की क्या है, एक मुस्कान पे बिकता हूँ, तेरे लिए मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ। मेरी कश्ती का तू सहारा है, मेरी लहरों का तू किनारा है, मेरे सागर की तू जल परी, सोना भी ना गवारा है, टाइटैनिक सा तुझ में डूबा हूँ, तेरे लिए मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ। Are you impressed?
Say it. Nilanjana.
Let's just hear it and then I'll tell you what I think.
तेरी महंगी इस दुनिया में
Sing, sing.
कीमत मेरे दिल की क्या है, एक मुस्कान पे बिकता हूँ, तेरे लिए मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ। तेरे लबों की खनक से, तेरे चेहरे की चमक से, दुनिया में सबसे अमीर हूँ, तेरे लिए मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हूँ।
Wow. Now just imagine 3 men telling me, तेरे लिए मैं free of cost हूँ. I'm totally floored. I'm completely floored. Thank you. Thank you. You've done wonders for my ego today. That's really great. You've also, we were talking about the struggle, you know. So you wrote the film, you managed to get the producers.
He helped me to introduce to the guy.
He introduced you to the
and
producers.
they liked the one thing that we gonna shoot at the real haunted place Bhangar. This is the only Indian film which we have shot at a real ghost place. Otherwise, people used to do a studio setup or at somewhere any place.
So the location is real. The
location is real.
All right.
Location is there.
Now the next part. The film is done, the post-production is done, the film is ready. When was the film ready, Jitu?
When was? It was just 2 months back.
Like it was, remember, the Bhangar part was over by September of 2013, and then we had songs remaining, so we were short of budget. The new producers were short of budget, so we took a long journey to manage funds. So somehow we got the funds, and you know, it was very difficult to convince people.
How did you, I have to ask you this, how did you, I mean, I'm sorry, don't take it otherwise. You know, you are talking of a new actor, a new director, and you know, people who, you know, not new, I mean, not known faces. But Mohit Chauhan has sung a song for you, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
That was amazing. How did you get him to sing? And then we'll listen to that song also. How did you get him to
See,
sing?
I had a great admiration for Mohit Chauhan.
Same
I've
here.
been listening to
Same
him
here.
like
I love him.
since childhood.
Yes.
So I met him on an airport one day, you know, and he was with his guitar reading his book. So I requested
What is the
him.
song called?
Slow motion.
Slow motion. Right. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
So I was also into writing. So I asked him, sir, one day I want you to sing for me. So he said, okay. So we exchanged numbers. So when we decided that this movie is coming up, so and my lyrics are going to be used. So then I requested Mohit Chauhan sir, so please sing for me.
But he would have. I mean, where did the
He
money
asked for the lyrics first, but then he liked the lyrics so much. Then he said, "Okay, I
He
will
liked
do
the
this."
composition. He liked the lyrics. He didn't bother about the money much because he's a big name. We can't really afford much to pay the big
Let's
people.
listen to this song.
इतने साज दुनिया के मंजर है अब ये खास आंखों में बिठा के भूल चला मैं अपने राज सुन के भी ना सुनियो बेपरवाह दिल की फरियाद मैं डूबा तेरे नूर में स्लो मोशन में रंगों से राग में स्लो मोशन में सुरों से साज में स्लो मोशन में
So basically, it goes like मैं डूबा तेरे नूर में slow motion.
Slow motion में. Yeah, I get that, and he's Mohit Chauhan is Mohit Chauhan, so you got him to do. Then I remember Jeetu, we spoke once, so we met in Bombay, and you were saying that you are running from pillar to post to get the film released.
Yes.
Tell us about that. Tell us that struggle.
Actually, it is very difficult to get a release partner when you have new star cast, you have new director. So they always says, who gonna pay money for this film? I have good script is good, the story is good, we have done good shots, but they said no star value. People will see only Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Nobody gonna see these new faces. I convinced them that the actors are good. Just have a look at least once. But nobody showed interest with the big production house. I can't name here. I was struggling. I was visiting every production house. I started day in the morning. Let's visit today there. I was waiting there. When the producer will come, I will show my film. Sir, this is my film. At least have a look. They ignored. So, who is the star cast? Always first question. Who is the star cast? Sir, the new faces, the good. I don't believe in good actors. If you don't have Salman, Shah Rukh, just go. I was facing that.
Just go.
So
Just
we had a lot of rejection while presenting the movie, but as Yatin and his mother entered the film, they really liked the efforts. They believed in the story. They believed in the performances. They believed in Bhangad. So they managed to get the funds, and they became the releasing partner of the movie.
Okay, so they themselves again.
They
once
themselves
again. Tell us, I just saw that Zee Music has
Zee
partnered.
Music company.
So
So
that must have been a huge.
See, you have seen the posters of the movie. You have seen different tie-ups with Zee Music and other releasing distribution, etc. All this is done by Yatin Nandwani, who is the representing
that
Swami
was a
Samartha
big support
Creation.
for the film.
So producer is Rock and Rolla Films, and presenters are Yatin Nandwani and Anita Nandwani.
I see.
They have
And the music partner is Zee.
Music partner is
Zee.
Zee Music. For a new movie, it's very difficult to get big companies,
Yes.
music companies.
Yes.
So this has been an achievement for us that we can be proud of, that we have Zee Music company selling our music. So they have given a lot of good promotion on TV channels.
Yes.
They have
I've
Zing,
seen
And
it.
people are liking
ABC,
it. People
Before
are
You.
liking it and enjoying the music. And as he has
Is it
sung-
on radio? Have you guys?
It's on
Yes. We have radio partner as well. Red FM is with us as a radio partner.
Okay. So you have radio partners, you have a music partner, you have the. No,
We have
everything is in
releasing
place.
partner.
We have a
You have a
releasing
releasing
partner. We have a
partner.
print partner.
Print partner.
And-
We are partners.
Where is this film going to release on Friday in every hall
Yes,
across?
it's gonna a very good release. All over India release we are getting.
Yes, very good distribution channel. We have a release in every state, almost 500 theaters we are covering. So it's a great achievement for us.
So Manish, before we wrap up this conversation, I want to ask you very, very honestly, you said you believed in the story, you believed in the script, you wanted to do something different, this is your chance. Do you think this film, Trip to Bhangad, has been the perfect launching pad for you to Bollywood?
I think so, because I believe in intelligent cinema. This is an intelligent cinema. We have shot it like a Hollywood movie. This is very different from a typical rom-com Bollywood movie who has a star cast. So with newcomers, with the haunted spooky thing, and then we have all the elements that can entertain Indian audiences. So I have been able to justify my role in the movie. So this is the best platform so far.
What if critics are not too kind, Piyush? What if?
Well, I can't think of that part right now because I'm thinking for the best right now.
You're
because
just thinking positively.
We are thinking positive. We all are thinking positive because we have really worked hard for this film. From heart, we have worked in this film. As an actor, I must say that Manish or me, we have worked like we were on the job. We were in the character to play it. We were all the performers in this film has really worked. We have done the workshops. We have really done the research for the particular Bhangad. And then things were very quick. Things were very crisp when we were rehearsing. When we used to.
It's impossible for a new production house who has no knowledge about the film industry to release a movie within 1 year.
Exactly, yes.
It's an achievement for us, as Manish said. That it's an
greatest achievement so far. You know, I dropped out of college. I was doing entrepreneurship from college.
Entrepreneurship. Oh, okay. So now I know where
So-
all this is coming from.
When I had to do this movie, I had to do this movie. I didn't want to look back. I didn't want to do a 9 to 5 job. My producers believed in me. My
That's
parents
the
believed
dream,
in
huh?
me.
The starry-eyed dreams.
Yeah.
And Jitendra, you first time director, you know, how does it feel? I mean, the film is about to be released on Friday. Aren't you nervous? Aren't you scared? What kind of a response it'll have?
I'm getting very good response. People are responding well for our music, for our promos, and I believe they will like it.
You believe they will like it?
And in fact, critics will like it. If they are judge on a if they have parameters like music, we have very good music. If they want a good performance, we have very good actors with us. And if they are looking for a good story, we have a very good storyline.
So do you think that, you know, Piyush, let me ask you this, you've been in this industry. Do you think, like, you know, I started my show saying that, that, you know, there is so much of talent happening. We have more than 1,200 Bollywood films being released every year. We don't talk about all of them. We are talking of Trip to Bhangar, but we don't talk of it ordinarily. We talk of Kick, we talk of Singham, we talk of Happy New Year, Shah Rukh Khan's next. And the trailer of Happy New Year became such a huge event. You know, it released on WhatsApp and all of that. We're talking of that. We don't talk of so many small films which might have good content, which might have good acting, but we don't talk about that. Do you think that is changing now?
Yes. Let me talk about the changing scenario from, like,
Very quickly.
let's
We have to
talk
wrap up.
about the low budget films.
Yeah.
Basically, it started with when you see the history of Indian cinema, and Vicky Donor was one film which was a very small budget film, but the performances, the storyline, and the concept was altogether very different.
Right.
So though people liked it, and this is the same thing with Trip to Bhangar, I must say. Bhangar itself, it's very, like, you can come to the cinemas and see that what is behind Bhangar.
All right.
In Trip to Bhangar,
All right.
and the performances and the storyline will take you to the cinemas. That's the TRP of the film. Bhangar.
So, like, there were certain films which, again, Vicky Donor, you know, word of mouth. Everybody just came out and started talking about it. You're anticipating something like that to happen as well?
Yes, let me tell you, Trip to Bhangar will be one of those films. It will be a mouth publicity.
Word of mouth publicity. All right, all right. So, time to wrap up the conversation here. The conversation, of course, continues on India Post Live through your comments, your feedback. Be sure to go. I would love to check out the film myself and give you my reviews on India Post Live. All of you who are watching, please go and send us your reviews of what you thought of the film. I will ensure that it goes across to Jitendra, Manish and Piyush and the rest of them, you know, what we felt and what you felt about the film. I would like to thank Jitu and Manish and Piyush for taking out the time to come to our studios to talk about their new venture, their new release, their first Bollywood commercial film that's about to be released on Friday. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much. And, we are great. You have invited us to the studio.
Not at all. It was all our pleasure. Before we go, we leave you with another song of the film called Surur. It sounds very romantic, sounds very interesting. Listen to the song and take care. Thank you for watching the conversation. Bye-bye.
राही अजनबी सी दिल